Hi there, this is Pais Kid, and today I want to do a quick video about the new LightShare technology on Meta 7. LightShare allows you to use scripts to change a region's environmental parameters for the appearance of water, sky, and clouds, and this is currently exclusive to the Meta 7 grid. What is Meta 7, you ask? Well, it's a virtual world that's similar to Second Life. However, it's based on OpenSim source code and is operated by a company called Manier Metaverse Research. And LightShare is an example of a new virtual world technology that is not available elsewhere. So what's the big deal? Okay, well, like I said, region owners can use scripts to fully customize the parameters for sky, water, and other environmental appearance aspects. You could do a lot of this before, of course, just not in the same way. I mean, think of how people used wind light in Second Life. For many users, especially those who don't create scripts, well, this may not seem like a big deal. However, if you are a sim builder that loves to create amazing worlds to experience for exploring, games, roleplay, you may have already been wishing for a way to have such powerful control over the atmosphere of your virtual world. What do you need to be able to try it? Cabbage. First, you need a Meta 7 account, and then you need to download the Meta 7 client that you use to log into the virtual world. Once you're logged in, you'll need to go to the edit menu item in the client, go to preferences, and then there is a graphics tab. Under graphics, make sure that you have basic shaders and atmospheric shaders turned on for this to work. And that's also good advice if you don't want to use the settings that someone else has put on a sim. You just shut those off and boom, away go the settings. Now, meanwhile, here's just a quick example of how to use this in a script form, and just very simply, I've got this prim here. I'm going to edit it and go to content, and you notice that I have two scripts here, and for example I can open up this script, and what do we see? This is based on the example script, and let me show you real quick here. So here's a web browser, here's the Meta 7 homepage, and there is a link here to LightShare, and basically everything that I'm telling you is written right here. You notice that you can download a default script, and also you can access the this page, which is basically all these parameters with a quick description of what they do. Now the best way is to play with these, and you can either play with them in the script form, or one way is to use the typical wind light settings, and you can go to world and environmental settings, and you see there's two things here, sky settings and water settings. So for example, take a look at sky, and these are the same parameters that you were setting in the old-fashioned way in Second Life, but the nice thing is you can kind of play with these and then translate these back to the script, and that's kind of what I've done here. I have just altered a few of these just to show you what can happen. So here's one that I created just a few minutes ago, and in the script I'm just going to hit the reset button, which will basically run that script, and take a look at what happened to the world here. I have blood for a sea and pink clouds. Here's another example of a script that's more like what we're used to seeing. So you see how easy it is to set for default. So what this means, I mean, if you are anyone who's done scripting or building or trying to control things, this puts in your hands a lot of power. There's more parameters coming, more changes that are being worked on, but you get the basic idea here, and what this means is you can pretty much control your region dynamically and as creatively as you want. You know, I've got another video that I did on this particular region where I did a number of different settings, and it's take a look at that video. It's just basically eye candy, but what you see is some of the ideas that I got just by playing around with this and taking a look at how interesting you can make the world seem. So thank you very much for your attention. I hope you get a chance to play with this. This is a lot of fun, and I really look forward to seeing some of the creative ways people are going to use this. Bye now.